Whether you want to do small do-it-yourself projects for your home, or you want to create large, intricate projects with dovetailed joints and thicker intarsia projects, a scroll saw is among the most important power tools that you should have in your tool shed. Scroll saws are generally preferred more than jigsaws because they provide a more accurate and safe cut. And let's not forget its portability. Well, stay tuned as we round up 5 of the best scroll saws on the market today. From 2-in-1 portable saws to the more heavy-duty with the most depth, all will be discussed in this list. For more information and get the best prices on each item in this list, check out the links in the description below. And now let's begin. At number 1 is the DEWALT 20-inch variable speed scroll saw. When it comes to power tools, DEWALT is one of the brands that is most trusted by buyers. DEWALT is an American brand that specializes in professional and heavy-duty tools for everything you need. This variable scroll saw has a speed performance that helps you achieve accuracy and detailed pieces of work all the time. It features easily accessible controls and a user-friendly configuration. To ensure the most accurate cut and a smoother, quieter operation, this scroll saw features a double parallel link arm design. The arm then pivots from the back to the front, making the distance to which the arm moves shorter. You don't have to worry about having to free up another hand or even putting the tool down to adjust the controls, because the on-off switch, blade tensioning lever, speed control, flexible dust blower, and the variable speed control for application-specific performance are all located within easy reach of the upper front arm. The portable size of the scroll saw makes it easy to move around and bring around the workshop. The 1.3 amp motor can deliver anything from 4 to 1750 SPM to ensure enough power. Doing inside cuts is a breeze with the DEWALT scroll saw because the arm lifts so that the blade can be easily threaded through the material. The arm showcases a unique angle to ensure that the blade will always be perpendicular to the work, making sure to prevent over and undercutting. And number 2 on the list is the WEN 2-direction variable speed scroll saw. Have you ever found yourself wanting to have a scroll saw that can cut in 2 directions instead of having to cut in one side and then change position to the other? If so, then this WEN 2-directional scroll saw is for you. It features a unique design that accepts the blade in 2 directions, the standard and the 90-degree to allow infinite ripping capacity. Pinned or pinless blades are both handled by this saw. The speed can be controlled and it varies from 400 to 1600 strokes per minute. It can easily be adjusted with a simple turn of a knob, which you can reach within your hand without having to put the tool down and stop what you're doing. This power tool comes with a spacious table that features a 16-inch depth surface so you can cut larger pieces. It also bevels up to 45 degrees to the left for that maximum flexibility and ease of work. The WEN 2-direction scroll saw comes with an adjustable air pump so you can make sure that the surface you're working on will be sawdust free. Another unique feature of this saw is the flexible work light that's encased in a worm rubber casing. You can easily adjust it to the surface you want to shed the light on. The angle of the light is perfect and not distracting to the eye while working. Well, what are your thoughts thus far? If you haven't found the item you like, then we have more to go. But before we head on to our third item, we'd like to ask you to join our growing community. Please click the subscribe button and make sure you also click on the bell icon so you'll get notified when we upload our new videos. And now let's continue. At number 3 is the JET JWSS 18B scroll saw. If you're looking for a machine that combines being the best in class with thoughtful design and innovation, then this scroll saw from JET will be a good buy for you. JET thoughtfully managed to make blade change a breeze with their one-step blade change, thanks to the upper mechanism and the removable toolless lower blade holder. In addition to that, the table itself has a slot for the blade. To ensure that vibration is limited, the JWSS saw features a large 11 5/8 inches by 21 inches T steel table for that stable working surface. The throat of the machine accommodates up to 18 inches of a workpiece. Another feature to make cutting more accurate is the tilting arm. 45 degrees to the right and 30 degrees to the left to be exact. This ensures that your work table can remain flat even when cutting a slant. Preloaded blades are the thing for the Jet, as this scroll saw has them from an integrated blade storage with slots for preloaded blades. There's also a built-in wrench for changing the blades. The top arm is spring-loaded to ensure that it doesn't accidentally close off unless it's pulled, making safety a priority. At the bottom of the machine, there's a removable dust port to collect sawdust accumulated when you cut to ensure easy cleanup. At number 4 on our list is the RYOBI 1.2 amp corded 16-inch scroll saw. RYOBI is another trusted worldwide brand. All of their products come with a 3-year warranty that'll give you peace of mind when buying expensive tools for the long term. This scroll saw from RYOBI features a tool-free blade clamp that accepts both plain and pin end blades. The feature that makes it adjust very quickly and is easy is the easy access blade tension knob that is ergonomically within reach. The cast aluminum table tilts up to 45 degrees for that perfect cut without having to reposition. The throat depth of this scroll saw can accommodate up to 16 inches to ensure maximum cutting capacity and ease of use. To keep the cut lines clear and free of dust, an integrated dust blower is included in this power tool. This said blower can be installed with wet or a dry vacuum for a cleaner work area. The cut speed can easily be controlled from 550 to 1600 SPM. That'll suit the tasks that you have in mind. The induction motor of the RYOBI ensures that the tool will come with the same durability within its long lifespan. Every tool you buy includes one scroll saw, one 18 TPI blade, one hex wrench, one switch key, and of course the operator's manual. Enjoy the 3-year warranty that RYOBI usually gives their customers for every tool that's bought from them. We love to know what's on your mind, so don't hesitate to tell us in the comments below. You can send us any requests or questions, we'd love to hear them. And now let's check out our final product. At number 5 is the DREMEL MOTO-SAW 0.6 amp scroll saw. This may be the smallest saw on our list, but that's not to say that it's the least featured. If you're looking to work on intricate details for plastic, laminates, and metal, this portable scroll saw from DREMEL is for you. This 2-in-1 power tool can be removed from its base and made into a portable coping saw. DREMEL brings a compact, easy solution for those who are looking for a tool to make detailed cuts. This saw is easy to use thanks to its tool-free mechanism for quick blade changes. It also has an auto-tensioning feature that helps keep the blade taut and ready to cut all the time, so you won't have to make small adjustments before using it. Not to mention the sleek design that makes it easy to store, set up, and operate. It features an ergonomically designed handle with comfort grip to provide control and precision in any cutting position. This saw from DREMEL can rotate 360 degrees to ensure the best possible position that you can use. The slim ergonomic handle includes the variable speed control for that one swipe change of speed. The fast clamp located on the back of the base attaches to various tables, benches, and other surfaces. A dust port adapter makes sure the line of sight is clear, as well as the surface where the tool is clamped. And that takes care of our top 5 scroll saws, and we hope you were able to decide which one is best for you. For more information on the products as well as the best prices to get them, check out the description box below. And lastly, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so you make sure you can watch our next video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time here at the ReviewTube channel, your home of the Fair and Square Review.